In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DocHub extension to Chrome. DocHub is a handy tool for editing, signing, and sending PDFs right from your browser, and setting it up only takes a minute. Start by opening a new tab and going to google.com. In the search box, type Chrome Web Store as one word. You're looking for the official Chrome Web Store result from Google. Click that result to open the store. This is where you can safely browse and install extensions and themes for Chrome. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left. Click into the box and type DocHub. Spelling isn't case sensitive, so lowercase is fine. After the results load, look for the listing that says DocHub, Edit, Sign and Send PDFs. Make sure it's labeled as an extension and not a theme. If you see multiple results, the one you want will clearly include DocHub in the name and mention PDF editing or signing. Click the DocHub result to open its details page. Here you can double check you've got the right tool by reviewing the description, screenshots, and ratings. It's a good habit to confirm you're installing the extension you intended before you proceed. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. If you already had it installed, this button might show Remove instead. Otherwise, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Chrome is asking for permission to add the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. You should see a brief download and a confirmation message once it's installed. To keep DocHub easy to access, go to the puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome, next to the address bar. That icon opens your Extensions menu. Click it to see all your installed extensions, then look through the list to find DocHub. If you have many extensions, you might need to scroll. When you see DocHub, click the pin icon next to it. Pinning makes the DocHub icon stay visible beside your address bar so you can launch it in one click. You should now see the DocHub icon appear at the top of your browser. From here, you can open it any time to start editing or signing PDFs. If you're prompted to sign in later, that's normal and helps save your documents to your account. That's it. DocHub is installed and pinned. If you don't see the puzzle icon, make sure you're on the desktop version of Chrome and not in incognito mode. Enjoy faster PDF editing right from your browser.